Right, hi everyone, it's Chris 2E0UKH. I'm testing cross mode audio quality. I've got two hotspots set up, Openspot 3 and Openspot 4. I won't tell you which is which until the end. So 438.2 is one of them, 439.2 is the other one. So I'm just testing to see which has got the best quality. Put it in the comments what one you think has got the best quality. I'm now going to sit here and wait for some activity. I'm cross-moding from D-Star hardware to America Link to a YSF room America Link.
Yeah, I was trying to get some return on the video now, but I haven't had much luck. I was trying to see how people were doing after the storms in the area. Over.
Oh, Roger. I didn't know. Were there storms overnight up here?
Yeah, northern and western Virginia got hit pretty hard. I guess there were reported tornadoes are going to come. I guess Loudon, Fauquier, Page, Madison, Culpeper, Warren, basically the top of Virginia got beat up pretty bad last night with storms over.
Oh, Roger, man. Didn't know anything about it. We the weather, and it looked like the storms were coming, but we seem to have dodged them down here in Galax, so that's really too bad, man. I hope everybody's okay. Are you in that affected area? Over?
Yeah, I was lucky in that I got had to go around it. Well, I had to go through part of it and then around. It hit here just as a rain and windstorm. I know about 30 miles east of us. There are thousands without power, a bunch of damage, roads closed, whatever. But they'll get through it, I'm sure. Over.
Oh, Roger. It's summertime. 'Tis the season for tornadoes and hurricanes. Well, we definitely monitor the weather constantly because we live in an RV. So if we see something really bad coming, we gotta leave the area. Over.
That's kind of neat and kind of scary at the same time. Yeah, they had some friends of ours that they retired and they pretty much all over the place now. They southwest United States, southern Florida, that area. And they're actually on the Outer Banks right now, but they kind of find someplace they like and going to stay there for a while because of the fuel costs. Over.
So where do they stand down in the Outer Banks?
ME0SDR. Here with National Park Service, so they're volunteering. I guess their service is 2 or 3 days a week at some of the campgrounds down there on the Outer Banks, and in return they get to stay and have hookup for free, which probably not a bad deal. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, they're camp hosting. That's the best kept secret in the country is the camp host. You get free everything, and I mean, you work 3 days a week, which usually entails maybe doing cleaning out fire pits or checking people in after hours, basically telling them what site they've got. Over. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, she said actually she just does check-ins, check-outs, and she inspects the site. She doesn't have to clean it or anything like that, but it works out pretty well for her. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Outer thinks it's a bad place to be for sure, but yeah, we came over here for bluegrass festivals, and then we're kind of hovering in the area for Fiddler's Fest down here in Galax. And then once that's done, we're going to start making our way back out west. That's where we're from. Over.
Oh, that's nice. What's going on west there? Over.
I'm going to say Coronado, California. Over.
Well, that's about as far west as you can get in the continental United States. So, but yeah, it's beautiful out there. I was out there, man. It's been. I think about that. It was 33 years ago last time.
Okay, so I just wanted to give you quite a long sample to test. One of these, I've got two hotspots running here. One's on 438.2, one's on 439.2, the Openspot 3 and 4. And, which one sounded best? Well, I couldn't tell much difference. We're cross-moding from D-Star hardware into America Link on Fusion. So we're doing cross-mode from D-Star to Fusion. So put it in the comments which sounded best, And I'm now going to tell you which was which. So 439.2, that is the Openspot 4. I can demonstrate that if I turn off the 3. Are you still here?
He's very happy with it. Over.
Yeah, man. So that basically killed two birds with one stone. You got to see the United States.
Okay, so it wasn't a scientific test, but I'm just comparing the audio quality from the Openspot 3 to the 4 doing cross-mode operation. So put in the comments which one you thought sounded best, or were they the same. 7-3, cheers.